Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Wi-Fi adapter not showing in Device Manager Windows 11. 10.8. 7. First method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click Show Hidden Devices. If not showable, click Action, click Add Legacy Hardware. Select Wi-Fi manufacturer name and model. Second method is click Start, Settings, click System, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Network and Internet. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type net sh space, winsock space, reset. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Network and Internet, click Network Reset. Fifth method is open Driver Booster or any other application. Scan and update all devices' drivers. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.